Top 5 cars that make you the most money on Turo. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Exodus Capital YouTube channel, your #1 destination for all things finance and investing. Exodus Capital is your premier destination for financial education on YouTube. Think of us as the Netflix of financial knowledge, delivering a diverse range of content that covers real estate, investing, Turo car rental investments, e-commerce businesses, and much more. Our channel is your one-stop shop for gaining valuable insights into the world of finance, and we're here to help you multiply your income with an exclusive call to action that can supercharge your financial journey. Stay tuned for expert advice, tips, and strategies that will empower you to achieve your financial goals. Subscribe to Exodus Capital now and embark on a path to financial success. In today's video, we're talking about Turo, the popular car-sharing platform that allows you to rent out your vehicles. I'll be sharing the top 5 cars that can make you the most money as a Turo host. These vehicles not only command high rental prices per day, but are also in high demand by renters on the platform. If you're thinking about getting started on Turo, you'll want to consider adding one of these money-making machines to your rental fleet. Alright, let's jump right into the list. Number 5. Toyota Camry. To kick off our list, we have the Toyota Camry. This reliable, fuel-efficient sedan is one of the most popular rental choices on Turo. With its spacious interior and trunk, the Camry works great for families or small groups needing an affordable rental. You can expect to earn anywhere from $30 to $50 per day renting out a Camry. Number 4. Tesla Model 3. Coming in at number 4 is the Tesla Model 3. This sleek electric sedan offers incredible tech features and the cool factor of driving a Tesla. Given the demand for trying out Teslas, you can easily charge over $100 per day for a Model 3 rental. The operating cost